Alright guys, promise. Last video on this. I promise. We're going to make a last knife making video. We're going to make a sheath for the knife here. So with a belt loop. Just a simple
All right, guys,
sheath.
welcome back to the shop.
Nothing spectacular.
Kind of a fun project here going on. We're just the knife that we've been building over the last couple of videos. We're doing the sheath. If you haven't seen those videos yet, go check down in the description. The links to those videos will be there. Otherwise, if you want to wait till the end, this is a standalone video, so you can go ahead and wait till the end and click on the end screen. Video links will be there as well. So we're just starting with some leather and cutting out the first piece. If you have never worked with leather before, it's honestly one of the easiest materials to work with for this kind of stuff. And we're not making anything fancy like a bag or something like that. This is just a knife sheath. So yeah, just traced out the knife and then give it a little extra room, and we got the two pieces. Now we're just drawing our lines for where we're going to punch our holes. Make sure the knife still fits nicely. Leather will stretch. So we're going to use some rivets as well. Rivet kit from Amazon. It's got different colors and a couple of different lengths, and away you go. So yeah, just using the punch kit from Amazon again to punch the holes. Let's see, we're going to put a rivet there eventually, so we don't want our holes to go that far. So make sure that everything lines up where we want it. Now here I'm just punching through the first layer. I didn't include it in the video, but after this is put together, I went back and punched through both layers for the sewing. But I find it easier just to punch through one layer in order to get it kind of lined up where we want it. So now we're going to take some leather glue and glue the two pieces together. Just makes the whole process easier if these pieces are glued together before you go ahead and try to do the sewing. Yeah, you notice that I didn't cut the tip off the thing and squeeze it. I use a spreader, and then I put the seal cap back on and put the cap back on tight, and this glue will last a long time that way. So just put the two together, and just so it doesn't get dirty, it doesn't want to make a difference, and then put a lead weight on it. There we go, the weight's off, and now I'm setting up for the belt loop. We got the holes punched where we're going to sew that. And again, we're going to glue it in place. Now here I'm just using the 2-pin punch from the kit to make sure the holes stay lined up while we clamp this together and let that glue set up. Alright, let's put our logo in it. So we're going to kind of line it up where we want it. Just gently mark some marks so we can line it up when it's hot. So, Wood Metal Workshop logo. There's a couple of vendors on Amazon if you have your own logo that you want put into burn-in logo. So Smell of burning cow. Be careful, the end of that's still hot. It'll stay hot for quite a while. Brush some of the char off. It actually comes out pretty darn nice. So there's still some char on there, so it's going to take a while for it to come off. Anyhow, so now we're sewing. We're doing a saddle stitch. I'm not going to tell you how to do it because I'm no expert at this, but it requires 2 needles and a little bit of patience. I won't bore you with the whole process here. We'll jump ahead here a bit. Evidently, I missed a hole there. And just about to the end of this one. Okay, I'm just going to tie these off. And now we're going to, I got the other side done, now we're going to dye it black. This is leather dye. You can get this from any leather crafting supplier. I went with black because I have black. It's the only color I have. And just let that soak in. Well, there we go, guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed yet, and then don't forget, tomorrow, tune in for the live stream at 7 o'clock. Make sure you commented on the previous video so you can win this thing.